Yeah, it's recorded. Need some help? Nice.
What do you think? Like I said, we need to get that back wheel on that edge, so maybe two guys can lift that up, and I'll slide the front wheel down. As long as we're to here, we're all right, because we can kind of scooch it along here and then just kind of gas it. You've seen this before, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You're like the old man.